Well, kanya-kanyang opinion yan. Sigurado naman top 25 team ang Dominican Republic based on the FIBA men's ranking. So definitely may kumpiyansa sila against a team which is ranked 17 slots lower than they are in that particular ranking. Pero syempre may home crowd tayo, ganadong-ganado at handang-handa yung ating kupunan to give them a run for their money. No? Definitely papalag ang ating kupunan. Nabanggit nga ni Coach Chot kanina sa press conference na pinakita natin kanina lang. Nandun po ako kanina tanghali para masaksihan yon. At sinabi nga niya, we're just, we're all we can do is control whatever we are, whatever we can control. No? So they prepared well, they traveled all over to do practice games, tapos sariling sikap ang ginawa nila rito. They've recruited great players who, hopefully, as we said, are probably the tallest team we've had in history. And sana naman na lumaban tayo. No? It's not just Karl Anthony Towns. There's a bunch of great players on that team, but we have a bunch of good players as well. So sana talagang mag-shine yung ating mga manlalaro bukas.
Ang importante po, suportahan natin yung Gilas. Yung
Siyempre naman. We want to break that record, but not just that. We want to cheer loudly. Kailangan maingay talaga tayo.
Yes.
Wala na tayong problema sa department na yan.
Oo nga.
Kunan doon tayo,
I'm sure
MJ,
sa
pero yung iba kasi,
TV5 lahat kami na manunood, sisigaw talaga.
Yeah.
From the
hindi
studio.
pwedeng ganyan-ganyan lang yung palakpak bukas.
Kailangan sigaw talaga.
All out tayo dyan bukas.
All out!